We're going to do a brief video on AUD USD. That's AUD USD Analysis. And we've got a daily chart on here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. As you can see, this currency's been in a bear market since about April of 2022. It's had some serious rallies up to the 200-day on two different occasions, but it is serious at the moment. In a deep bear market decline. We're going to take a look at some other charts here, and we're also going to look at some algorithmically generated entry prices. But for right this second, we put in a bottom here on September 28th at about 0.6363 and got a fairly decent rally up here to what we're looking at today, 0.6524. Now, with this, the way this currency's been trading, you could easily trade up through this area here, this 0.66, on just a standard bear market rally, just a short covering rally, taking some profits. So 0.66 is really a chip shot from where we are right now. The question is how long it's going to take to get there. My guess is if it's going to get there, it's probably going to get there by Monday or Tuesday of next week. It's September 29th right now, so first week of October. And then you could easily have this turnaround and continue down. Now, we're going to take a look at the weekly chart here and see exactly what our support is, because a lot of these currencies I've been looking at this morning don't have any support at these levels. This one does have some support, so let's take a look. We're looking at a weekly chart now. Blue is 200 week, red is 20 week, green is 5 week. So this is a weekly chart, and we've got no significant support on this until we get down here at 0.55. 0.55 happened back here in March of 2020. So 0.55, that is obviously a considerable distance. I suspect that if we don't get something turned around here, which I have absolutely no reason to believe why we would, we're probably going to get a rally first at this 0.60 level. But that rally, there's nothing there. So we'd have to, really see somebody come in there, and a lot of traders come in there and want to put a bottom there because there's no support there. But nonetheless, easily could put in a bottom here at the 0.6 level and then rally back up to the 0.65 or maybe the 0.66 and then see what's going on. This market's in a bear market. There's just no getting away from it, and we have to get some support. Otherwise, we're going to continue down until we test previous lows. That's just the way it works. I do think you'll probably see some buying at the 0.61 level, and I think that probably, if that happens, I think you'll probably see that late November, something like that, maybe sooner. Depends if we got a disaster. It could be early November, something like that. Let's go take a look real quick at the monthly chart and see if we see anything on there of interest. Not really. Same kind of support. The chart doesn't look, there's not a whole lot going on here. I would stay with my initial analysis on all that. Let's go back and look at the algorithmically generated entry prices that RBAM Research puts out every morning before 7 a.m. We put a low in this today of 0.6435. Algorithmically, we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods on this. This is cash forex for today, the 29th. And we're looking at the AUD USD. And let's take a look real quick. It says on the 1-day column, 0.6479. It says to short. It's 64.79. Let's go to the hourly chart, 64.79. So we could have made some money on that. Keep in mind, that's a 1-day trade, so that means you get in today, get out tomorrow, worst case at the end of the trading session, or at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them. So if you went short there at our recommended entry price, you'd already made some money. You could have started that around 7 o'clock this morning. Keep in mind, these officially come out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, but we put them out in the evenings after around 6 o'clock. It's not official and it's not guaranteed, but we usually do put them out the night before, because the trading session starts in the night, in the evenings for the currencies. And if you check early, a lot of times our prices are up. Just make sure when you check, you make sure your date has been updated, because they're going to be updated before 7 a.m., but they might not be updated in the evenings. You just have to check. I'd say 90% of the time they're updated in the evenings. But so it looks like you could have made some money already. Intraday trading, these 1-day hold periods, you can usually intraday trade on some of these currencies. You just have to obviously use your own judgment. These are for entertainment purposes only. They're just for fun. You tune in and look at them, and they are a lot of fun to look at every morning. but they are, again, for entertainment purposes only. You can get them all free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Again, all free, updated before 7 a.m. There's a link in the description below to RBAM Research. Just follow it over there, put in your email address, and get complete access to what we offer. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well, and leave us a comment if you want to, if you have something great to say about our analysis. And please keep in mind that everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices, is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You definitely should do your own analysis, and you do trade at your own risk.